Yes, we are at Dollar General, but it's not one of my local Dollar Generals. Well, kind of, sort of. It's out of my immediate area and out of my comfort zone. But sometimes we have to do this when we are checking out the deals because, well, depending on where you live, your Dollar General may not have what you're looking for. And right now we've got several sales going on, so it's worth going and looking. And we've got clearance sale coming up, so that's what I'm doing. I'm out checking out these other stores' clearance, and that's what you need to be doing too. But yeah, you want to know. I'm telling you, you want to know what's in there. Because you're going to save an additional 50% off, including your coupons. And that's going to happen on the 29th all the way till October the 5th. And we got some things that have already started that are on sale now. Okay? And that's going to run till October the 5th. So come on in the store with me and we'll see what's going on, guys. We'll find some new clearance and some orange ticketed items, so you know what to be picking up at the clearance. And if you're not one of my crazy friends and you're just stopping by, well, come on. We're going on a field trip. We do that sometimes, and we always find something good. And so you won't miss any of that. Look below right now so you don't forget it, because it's going to get exciting. And hit the subscription button and that notification bell and make sure it says all, guys. And that way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. So let's head in the store and see if we can find any of that stuff. Okay, guys, let's talk about our upcoming clearance event that starts on the 29th, runs till October the 5th, and it's including our items on the clearance aisle as well as the POG, or better known as orange ticketed items. Items that are already on clearance or discounted. This simply means they're being discontinued, usually because of packaging, and they'll still be on the shelf, just different packaging. Okay, and sometimes these things are not tagged. Like this wonderful store is tagged. Look at this, 10% off. So you're already looking at it being 40% off. So $4.10. And then during that clearance event, that's going to be an additional 50% off. So this is bathroom beach foamer. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Hopefully you can read that UPC. Alright. You can use the UPCs to check your surrounding stores to see if they have these products. Now, of course, all your wipes, most of these wipes are gone. They have moved them to different parts of the store, but we have some different ones up here. And look, we have a little coupon for Fabuloso as well. I think it might be for the great big bottle, but we still do have one. Okay, let's talk about the per sale. Yes, we have an opportunity to get some for sale at a super good price, because we've got a $5 off when you spend $15 on per sale all snuggle. There it is. Boy, and there it is, and there it is again. We have coupons for the all as well. And Purex, we have coupons for the Purex as well. So technically, if we picked up this bottle and a per sale bottle, we would be way over our mark. We would save $5. I believe there's an earn on this of $2. So this might be a little quick deal to do. Really simple. I'll do it up and we'll slide it in here real quick. And of course, like I said, we have coupons for the Purex. And Snuggle, guys. Look, we have Snuggle. And I want you to look how the bottles have shrunk. It's like going to Walgreens now. The Snuggle bottles are half, I mean, they're not nothing compared to what they were. Even the blue. And of course, we have a 5 off 20 gain. Yes, we're going to burn that up, guys. Can you say jackpot? Okay, guys. Here is some of these other items that's going to be on your clearance event. Visuals, okay? We've got, as seen on TV items, the car wash cannon, the easy ice maker. We've got their exercise ball with pump. Okay. Lord have mercy. And of course, all these old masks. And quite frankly, I mean, even though the mandatory masking is over, come wintertime, if you're going out in crowded places, okay, closed-in places, be on the safe side. Mask up. Still take your sanitizer, okay? It's not going to hurt nothing. And, you know, and as we did discover, I don't know about you, but I didn't get sick not one time. Not nothing, not a sniffle while wearing that mask. Didn't care too much for it, but if I have to do it because I want to, that makes all the difference. So think about that. It might be worth masking up during the winter time. Alright, let's see. Iron skillets again. So if you need some cookware, you can't get any better than good old-fashioned iron skillets. We got Airborne, guys, and we got coupons for Airborne. We have lots of CoQ10. If you have problems absorbing minerals and vitamins, or if you take a, oh my goodness, cholesterol inhibitor of any kind, you need this, CoQ10. Oh, look, we got more Airborne, Daily Immune. We got, and we have coupons for a lot of this stuff. We got jumbo markers. Great stocking stuffers, guys. Okay. Great stocking stuffers. Dolls. Mats. Legos. Yeah, see, these are going to be 70% off. Yeah. And look. These say go cool. And they are. They'll keep your kid's face cool. But they also help keep the dust and abuse and germs out. Okay? And it's not as bad as a mask. They can wear it around their neck, pull it up as needed. Same goes for you. They got both sizes. They're 70% off right now. So, yeah, an additional. They're going to be super duper cheap. And there's a lot of them. Okay? A lot of them. Okay, everybody. While out looking for clearance items to show you, I stumbled across a store sale that is effective starting now from 9/22 to 10/5. This is going to be part of that big clearance push that we've been talking about. Okay, it is the Blue Dot and Yellow Star toys. Buy one, get one, 75% off. Okay, this store is on it. They've got it up and tagged. We have puzzles, OMG dolls, OMG things. I mean, all kinds of those things. JoJo kits, doll babies, I mean, all kinds of stuff, guys. So buy one, get one 75% off. More clearance, guys. They'll be 50 cents. See if we can get a UPC on these right here. I love it when you find those food clearance items. Oh, look, price breaks on the stir-fried noodles. Oh, just in time for winter, guys. They're back to $1. You might want to stock up. Okay, these are pretty good noodles. And for $1, is the Palmer's. It's regularly $3.35. It's on sale for $2.85. You've got a $1 off coupon. That's gonna $1.50 coupon. Excuse me, $1.50 coupon makes this a super deal because that's pretty good stuff and fits in your purse. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that little clearance view there. But let's have a look at some of the coupons that we've got to match up with some of that stuff. Now, I've also got for you that scenario that I hinted at when we went through the all. So let's do that first. So you can do two different scenarios. You can pick up one per sale and one of those $12 alls. You have $1.50 off the $5.95 per sale, and you got a $2 earn on that all. Now you're looking at $17.95. And after the $1.50 off is $16.45. After the $5 off, it's $11.45. Okay? And then you're going to get your $2 earn. So your final out-of-pocket for both of these items is $9.45. I still think that's a winner, even though it's two items for $9.45. That big bottle of all free and clear. And it's like getting that for sale for free. And then next, you can do two large bottles. This is a Saturday scenario, by the way, next. You're going to pick up the Oral-B free dollar toothbrush. And then you're going to pick up two of the $12 all free and clears. Now, coming off on that, you're going to have $1 on your Oral-B toothbrush and $5 off on your purchase of the all, and then $5 off for spending $25. Now, when that comes off, you're at $14 out of pocket. And then your final out of pocket after your earns is $10 out of pocket for two of those $12 alls and on an Oral-B toothbrush. So your total savings would be $15 with that Saturday transaction. And of course, if you've got that 10 off of 40, well, you could do this transaction and you could add a gain transaction with it. Yeah, that's going to be a marvelous deal. Like I said, if you wanted to, on Saturday, if you wanted to use your 10 off of 40, you can combine your all deal with a gain deal because you've got your 5 off for your gain and your 5 off for your all. Okay? So, if you combine both of those deals together, you're looking at $45.95. Oh, I didn't tell you the deal. Let's tell you the deal. A gain deal. You're going to pick up the $15.95 liquid gain detergent. You got a $3 digital coupon. And then you're going to pick up a gain scented plug-in you've got a $2.30 coupon. You're right at $20.95, and then you're going to get your 5 off. Okay? And then you are going to be at $45.95, and your total coupons coming off is $26.30. Now, that's with your $10. That leaves you $19 paying at the store, walking out the door. Okay? If you've not completed your $25 for your 2001 yet, well, you're really, really close here. You might want to throw you a $6 item of some sort in there, or pick you up a couple of other things, because this would be a really good transaction. Like I said, you're really close at $19. Then you're going to get $4 in earns from your all detergent. That's going to leave you a final out-of-pocket of $15, guys. So, yeah, that's a little for advanced couponers. And for the beginning couponers, you might want to do just the all deal. Do the $25. Okay, now let's look at some of these coupons that we've got for stuff that's on the clearance, okay? Now, stuff that's on the clearance. If you can find them, the travel size of this rose water Pantene, those should be on the clearance. There is Tide on the clearance. Different sizes of the yellow, different sizes of the orange. We've got Tresemme hairspray on the clearance. There is some Always products on the clearance. We've got the Olay body wash that looks like this one on the clearance. And like I said, we've got Tide pods on the clearance. We've got a $3 coupon for that. We've got Airborne. We got a $3 coupon for that. And we have Febreze plug-ins on the clearance. And we've got Febreze small spaces on the clearance. So that might be a good time to do your game deal as well, as during the clearance sale, if you can find a lot of that clearance Febreze, because I think some of it is gain scented. Now we have some of this Dayquil on the clearance. We have those Downy dryer sheets. I'm not quite sure if this will work with that or not. Alright, so far that's about all I can see that we've actually got coupons for. But we've got paper coupons also. And I'm sure we'll get some new coupons posted before the week is out. So there you go, guys. We've got several deals there for you. And, well, you know you want to know, so stay tuned. There's more. Blessings, and we'll talk again real soon.